Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be doing an unboxing and a mani using items from the May Charm Box. Now, I'm so excited to share this with you. I've been sitting on this box for a while now. I wanted to make sure everybody got their box before I did any spoilers because I know that everybody loves a good nail surprise. So let's dive right into this box. This box is from Daily Charm, and this is the May 2023 box. And the first thing in here is a card with everything that is in the box. And then on the other side, you have some beautiful mani inspirations. The theme is wedding, and there's also a discount code on that front of that postcard as well. So let's dive right into this box. Now, it is wedding theme, which is perfect for the month of May and honestly all year long. And these items in this box are definitely staple items. So the first two items here that I'm pulling out are bonus items. So the first thing you saw there was some beautiful flowered hair clips, and then we have this really pretty peachy flowered mirror. I love it so much. Okay, so the first nail item here, it is awesome. It is definitely giving me all those wedding vibes. These are white pearls, and I love the size range that we get with these. They are teeny tiny pearls, and they range up to the larger pearls, and these are going to be really fun for just jazzing up your mani, and it's going to make any mani with these pearls look super elegant, and it is perfect for wedding season. And then we have some glitter mixes here which are so pretty. You have like that beautiful gold and then that something blue with that gold glitter right here, and I love the packaging of the Daily Charm. So you can see here, it's a beautiful, almost like a rose white gold, and then our something blue, we have this beautiful glitter mix here. It is stunning, and that gold one that I just showed is also in hollow glitter, but these glitter mixes are so fun. It's going to be the perfect touch to add that sparkle to your mani. And then we have some beautiful gold foils in here. Now these foils are amazing. I will tell you that I've already used these foils in a couple manis already, and they are amazing. These are probably the best foils I have ever used. And then we have these beautiful, elegant transfer foils, and if you've been watching my videos for a while, you know I love transfer foils, but look how detailed and elegant these are. They are lace print. They are so gorgeous and fun. We are going to be using those today, so spoiler. And then the next thing in here is really awesome. This is a floral silicone mold. So what you do is you pick your favorite gel polish colors, you put them in there and you cure it, and then you have your own little gems that you made for your nails. How fun is that? And then we have a magnet here. And you know there's going to be some cat eye polish in here if there's a magnet. And then we have these beautiful gold balls. And then check out these gorgeous flower charms. They are stunning. They are super cute. And then we have, these are awesome. These are gold and they're charms, and they're so dainty and gorgeous and thin. They look like little lace pieces. They're stunning, and you're going to be able to do a lot with these. They're definitely different shapes and frames. They're gorgeous. This box would not be complete without two gorgeous charms. And then we also have these beautiful stickers in here. They are stunning. They are so gorgeous. I love them so much. We are going to be using these today in a mani as well. They're just very soft and elegant. And then we have another thing of stickers here, which are these perfect hearts. They're pastel hearts, which is great for all year long. I love playing with hearts, but also for wedding season. And then we have this ring in here that you can use to put your gel polish on to do some nail art. I think it's super cute, or you can wear it on its own. And then we have another bonus item here, which is some fun hair ties. I just really like the mirror, the hair clips, and the hair ties. You can put those in your purse before a wedding. So fun, right? And then we have these rhinestones, which are sparkly glass. They are amazing. They're diamonds, there's moon, there's star shapes. They're really fun, and I really like the packaging as well, and the variety and the amount that you get in here is stunning. They are so pretty, and they're gonna really enhance your mani because they are that glass look to them, and it's just so pretty. And here it is up close and personal. Check it out. They are gorgeous, aren't they? I'm getting all those bejeweled vibes. All right, so now we have the polishes here, which I am so excited. Check out the cute packaging. I just love the packaging in the bottles. They are so pretty, and they're gonna look perfect on your nail station. And this one right here, it's stunning. It is a gorgeous milky color, and it is stunning. It is the perfect Irish cream ivory color, great for wedding season. It is amazing. And this color right here, it's in the color J26 called called Irish Cream, and the name is perfect. And then the other one here, it is a cat eye polish, which I'm so excited for. And it is in C12, and it is called Kitty, and it is so pretty. It is so velvety pink, and you can see here it has that beautiful cat eye shimmer to it. It's a very pretty, elegant color that's going to really complement tons of different manis, and you're going to be able to use Irish Cream and Kitty all year long. They're great staple colors. So here's everything in the box. This box is cram-packed full of all these goodies, and I love it so much. Such a great value. So this box is $49, which is a steal. And if you love nail art and gems and everything to jazz up your mani and polishes, these are going to be your jam, because this box is amazing. It's $49 and it is over $120 value, which is amazing. And I honestly really love everything that came in this box. I think it's super fun, and wedding season and everything in this box itself is a very classic theme, which you're really going to be able to use all year long to create a very amazing mani. Now you could do a Victorian style mani with this, vintage mani. You're gonna be able to do a lot. So check out Irish Cream here. It is stunning. I love it so much. It has the most beautiful cream, like Irish cream tone to it. It is really pretty. It's the perfect ivory color, and I love how it has that milkiness to it. It is very buildable, and you're going to be able to do a lot with this. So let's get back to the signups for the charm box. It's a really awesome theme. So the month of May, so the box that you see here, it's a surprise every year, so the theme is different. This year it was wedding season, and then right now you can sign up for the next box, which is going to be shipping out July 1st, and the theme for that box is summer. And how fun is that? That is something super exciting. I'm sure it's going to be just cram-packed full of really fun and bright things for summer. And the sign up for that box is right now, so you can sign up for the summer box all the way from right now until June 30th, and then you're gonna get the summer box. So this box is shipped out the first week of every other month. So this is a box that you're not going to get every month, because that could sometimes get a little overwhelming. It's a box that you get every other month, which I love that about it. And then after that summer box, so if you miss signing up before June 30th, you can still sign up. You're just going to be getting the autumn and Halloween box. I love fall and Halloween, so I bet that's going to be amazing. So that sign up is from 7/1 all the way to August 31st, and that's going to be the autumn. And then going forward, then there's going to be a holiday one. They do a Valentine's Day box and a spring box. And again, that one for May 1st is always a surprise box, so you never know what the theme is going to be, which is really awesome. And I just really like how this box is themed, and everything is very user friendly, and you're going to be able to use it, like I said, in tons of different manis. And I just think it's very awesome that they ship it out every other month, because then you can really utilize the products that you're receiving in the box. I know, like, sometimes I do get a little overwhelmed when I get monthly subscriptions, because everything comes in and then I want to use everything all at once, but then realistically life gets in the way. And I just feel like with this box you can really enjoy it, because you have like this time in between your next box. Plus, these are just such great fun items, and I really like how the items in this box really do like speak to me in the mani that we're doing today. So for the mani today, we're going to be doing a lot of different things. We use the two beautiful gel polishes here, and I'm not going in depth on what we're doing step by step with this mani. We're kind of just doing a watch me do a mani. So we're going to start out with these beautiful stickers here. They are so pretty and they're so thin. They lay really flat to the nail. And just to make sure that I'm getting that sticker completely flat to the nail, I'm just using this little silicone tool, and I'll link that in the description box as well, just to really make sure that that sticker is laying super flat to the nail. But I had so much fun with these stickers, because you can do so many different designs and they're just really fun to work with. So I really enjoyed playing with these, and we're going to play with these stickers. We're also going to be playing with those beautiful lace transfer foils, which when I saw those transfer foils, do you remember those? You're going to see them in action in just a moment. The attention to detail on those transfer foils, I couldn't believe it. There was like lace and then there's flowers. It was so elegant and beautiful that those transfer foils are amazing. And I'm so glad that you get a decent amount of transfer foils in that pack, because those are just really fun to use like all year long. I think it'd be so gorgeous like over a black or like a dark gray for like a vintage kind of Great Gatsby kind of vibe. There's so many things that you can do with this box. Like my mind is totally going here with ideas. Plus, if you follow the Daily Charm on Instagram, you can see other inspiration. They're always posting really fun trends on their Instagram, and they have really awesome items too that they have to offer that is not just in a subscription box on their website. And they have beautiful, beautiful nail charms. Tons of them. I mean, it is crazy the amount of nail charms that they have. They also have beautiful crystals. They have more transfer foils, which I couldn't believe like some of the patterns they have. Like I never seen them before. They are gorgeous. And then they have their beautiful cat eye polishes and beautiful color gel polishes as well. They have tons of different stuff on their website, and they also have really gorgeous like marble inks, which I'm dying to try. And they also have some really fun like mermaid stuff. So head over to Daily Charm after this video, check them out and check out this box and how gorgeous and fun is this transfer foil. So I did the rest of the sticker nails and transfer foil nails off camera to save time, but this mani would not be complete if we did not use a charm for this mani. I mean, after all, this is a Daily Charm box, so I felt like we had to do a charm, and it really just tied in this mani. So I just am using some rhinestone glue. I did not cure it, and I'm going to go ahead and place that charm right on the nail here. It is so pretty and elegant, and it just really brings this cat eye polish kitty to life. I love it so much, and it is so pretty. And here is that charm. And when I'm satisfied with that placement, I'm just going to cure it for 60 seconds. I went ahead and finished this mani with my favorite gel top coat, and here it is. I love it so much. It is perfect for summer, spring, wedding season, any kind of season. This mani is so pretty, and I just love everything that came in this box, and I can't wait to create more manis. So I will go ahead and link everything that we used in today's video in that description box below, including everything you need to know about Charm Box. I will link their website. I also will post a picture of their shipping schedule and sign up schedule at the end of this video, so you have that for reference as well. But definitely check out Daily Charm, especially if you love jazzing up your nails. I mean, this box is pretty easy to have shipped to your doorstep, and then you have all this fun nail stuff, and it is just such a fun box. And I'm so happy that I created this mani with some of the items in the box, and I can't wait to play with the rest of the items. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next upload.